impulsive buy from my side. Well, I am not at all an impulsive buyer. If I plan to purchase something from a website about which I haven't heard, then I usually do some research before making the purchase. But this purchase was really out of the ordinary. During the Black Friday sale, you get this Facebook ads. So once you click on the ad, you are redirected to the website Diva Deal. This is a website I knew completely nothing about. I hadn't heard it, I hadn't seen it anywhere, and surprisingly I didn't spend much time researching about it. I just saw the reviews of the steamer and decided I should give it a go. And trust me guys, this is the most worried I have been about a shipment. Once they dispatched the item, maybe like in I think 2-3 days, they did send a tracking link, but still I was a bit panicky. I wasn't sure if I would receive the product. And to make things worse, when I googled Diva Deal scam, Diva Deal, I really saw some complaints like I haven't received my product, and so I was really scared. But thank God I have received the product, but I don't know whether it will work as it was advertised. So I want to unbox it with you guys. So here's our steam buddy as seen on TV. This is the steamer unit. You can see that the flat brush is already attached, and these are the vents through which the steam blows. On the reverse side, you see this red indicator. It will indicate whether the steamer is hot enough or not, and there's the place where you can put in the water. As seen on the advertisement, there was supposed to be a temperature control knob here, but I don't find that. There's another attachment. This is the upholstery brush. This switch here lets off the steam. You also get a measuring cup and a cleaning brush. And now let's very carefully read the manual because we don't want to create a mess. As per instruction, use distilled water in the required quantity and start filling it in. You can use tap water, but they have advised to use distilled water so that your device remains in a better condition. I have plugged it in and the red light indicator is glowing. You can't make it out, but once it gets heated, the indicator turns off. So I have taken a very crumpled kurti of a thin synthetic material. This kind of material I'm actually scared to use iron because I think I'll burn it. Don't get scared seeing the steam and also the noise. This one. This is an afterthought. I think that if you keep these things vertical and steam them, that will be easier for you rather than keeping it horizontally on the bed. And also, since I was not familiar with how this steam thing works, actually you didn't need to press it on the cloths, just the steam does its work. That I realized gradually, but not in the very beginning. So if I appear like a stupid, please excuse that. You can see the result, how this has fared against the original crumpled part. I think it has done a decent job, especially since these materials you can't iron. But it feels like my feet are glued to the floor. Don't wanna open up my mouth, cause I'm afraid of what's gonna come out. Now let me quickly finish steaming this entire garment. This can't be happening. Wake up, scream. I'm in a twisted reality. Twisted. Twisted. taking a top of a thicker material. Let's see how it works on this. The water is over by just steaming one garment, so I'll fill it up and be back. Make sure you never use your steamer without water. If you use it without water, your device may become faulty.
Wake up, scream. I'm in a twisted.
The more crumpled the cloth is, the more water it will take. And also, since it is straightening with steam, your clothes will be a little damp. For you guys, I think it did a decent job. I'm just relieved that I got the product and the product is functioning. From my brief experience, I think that this is a very on the go steamer. It will be really helpful, like you have to fix a particular crease, a particular collar like this, not like ironing an entire thing. So that will be all for today. If you have liked this video, please don't forget to subscribe and do hit that notification bell to get notified whenever I post a video. So see you guys soon again. Bye.